Hello Disney family and welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited about this haul today. Kind of excited, I mean it's kind of sad. Toys R Us and Babies R Us is going out of business, which I'm sure that many of you know. And so we decided to go and buy basically every Disney thing you could find in the store. So this is another giant haul. So I had talked about in my most recent 7 money saving tips that you should buy some stuff before you actually go to Walt Disney World to save some money, some of those souvenir money if you want, before you actually go. If you have not seen that video, I will link it above. But anyway, let's hop into this haul. So I have 3 giant bags plus a bunch of things that wouldn't fit in the bags. Yes, I have 1, 2, they're all sitting around. They're huge, they're ginormous bags. So I have 1 from Babies R Us, 2 from Toys R Us, and then some other things. Almost everything is Disney except for one thing, and you guys will find out that one thing, why it is not Disney related, but still we bought every single one in the store. So the first thing I'm going to show you is for the Tsum Tsum fans out there. It is a Minnie Mouse stack and display set. And this was marked down twice. So it was already on sale and then another percentage off, and it was $6.99. And it has this little mini Tsum Tsum here. You can open it up. I'll show you guys the back, and you can store your Tsum Tsums in this adorable mini case. And it also has a little stack and match challenge game where you can find and stack these figures. And this was exclusively, you can see on the bottom, for Toys R Us. So if you want it, you better go out and get it. So the next things that I'm going to show you are the things that did not fit in my bag. And here we go. They were just oversized items. So the next thing are these 3 giant coloring pages. There is a Frozen one, a PJ Masks one, and a Coco. Now, we went several times to Toys R Us, so we're not sure on the exact price. I went with my mother, and you guys know I do everything with my mom. But they were 40% off all of the art supplies, so I know that they were a huge percentage off the original price. I just can't remember what the original price was. If I can remember, I will link it in here somewhere. And since we're on the subject of art supplies, there's also this color and sticker Coco set, which my daughter is a huge fan of Coco right now. We saw it 3 times in theaters. And then we bought her this from her sister. She doesn't know that she got it yet, but when her sister comes home, she's gonna give her this Coco guitar, and it was marked way down. So this was originally like $39, and we're thinking it was like around 40% off. So that's a really awesome deal for. Okay. First giant bag. I'm gonna try and not get it in the viewfinder because otherwise all you're gonna see is bag. But you may hear it crinkling around. So here is the first giant bag in this haul. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of these Playmations. It's a game with Disney, and it's kind of a virtual reality game, and you buy these figurines. These figurines were marked so far down, they were only $1.77. They were $1.77 a piece. So the first one we got is this, isn't it Hawkeye? No, Falcon. Ooh, ooh, yeesh. No. So the first one we got is Falcon. The next thing we got are these little Coco collectibles, and they actually go with, we did buy it, but my daughter is playing with it. So it's the De La Cruz, and the end scene with the stage, it's that stage. So these guys match with this stage. So this one has Dante as a spirit animal, Hector, and Miguel as in his, you know, whatever. So next are these Dante and Miguel, just regular Dante and Miguel, not in the spirit world figurines. And then here is Ernesto de la Cruz. And then here is another Ernesto de la Cruz, Dante, just regular Dante and regular Miguel. And those collectibles again that go with that stage. And then there's also a Moana magical necklace, and it lights up with the push of a button on the back. Now here is a Star Wars Hot Wheel. It's the Millennium Falcon Hot Wheel. I think in this one was like around maybe 90 cents. Oh, I missed this art supply. It's a color and sticker cars art set. Here is another Moana accessory set. So it looks like it's got a bracelet and then also a hair piece. Now another Coco collectible, the bigger collectibles. This is Hector. And so they did have some Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. So here is Oogie Boogie and the Mayor, Snowman Jack, and the glow-in-the-dark Oogie Boogie. And then also Igor and a glow-in-the-dark Dr. Finkelstein. So the next thing is a Finding Dory memory match game. Now, a lot of this stuff is being saved for like birthdays and Hanukkah and holidays and just bribes, because I do bribe my children, sorry. I'm human. And then here is a Spider-Man vinyl wobblehead, and it's fun because it's a mystery. Now next, we got 10,000 of these. My daughter has already opened. I don't even want to know how many she's opened, but she has opened so many of these already. We've gotten so many doubles, but they were such a good price and they're really hard to find. And so just get ready. Okay, so they're these collectible mystery packs, and I think there might be 20 here. And I don't know about your kids, if you have kids, but my daughter is very into watching YouTube videos of kids opening mystery packs and then also opening them herself, and she likes to tape them. I can include some footage of her opening them now.
Mama Coco? Mama Coco? Mama Coco?
Oh, and next is Coco.
It's Mama Coco.
Do you need help?
Help.
There. Put Miguel together. You want to show the camera? Show the camera like Mommy does. Show him like Mommy. Show the camera. Show it up here, Ruthie. Oh, yeah, good.
So she is very into this. I'm sure other people really feel this, but so these are a great bribe. And then there is this One Cars Lone Ranger, the Gretchen Wieners of the pack. If you understand that reference, I hope you're laughing with me right now because I thought it was really funny. So the next bag you can already see a hint of. It's this giant green bag. So let's go. The next is another one of these Playmations, and it is Hawkeye. This one is Hawkeye. And then there is Super Adaptoid. It's a villain. I don't know who this one is. There we go. And then Black Widow. And I think this is the last one. This is Vision. And then, so I'm really excited about this. This is this adorable game. It's for 3 and up, so kind of thought I had for a birthday. My daughter is really into princesses. She hasn't even seen most of the movies. She's just very into it. So this is a really cute Disney princess game that is for 3 and up. So this mystery cupcake party game, you mix, match, and make cupcakes in time for the party. I just think this is so cute. Can't wait to play it. And then the last thing in this bag is the Disney Family Feud, which I have actually seen all over YouTube. I've seen families play this on YouTube. So I'm really excited to play this with my family. I know my mom really wants to play it. She wanted to play it for her birthday, but you know, I went into labor on her birthday. So. And we have a rogue bag. We realized that we were missing one and we found it. So I actually have 3 bags from Toys R Us, 1 bag from Babies R Us, and let's go into the 3rd bag. So the first thing in this bag is an Elena of Avalor adventure accessory set. So yeah, now this kind of stuff is the good stuff for bringing to the Disney parks because your child can wear it at the parks with a dress. My daughter has the Elena of Avalor dress and the shoes, so you know, she needs the accessories. Here is another Tsum Tsum thing for the Tsum Tsum fans. This is the Stack'em's basic display set. So it's another display thing. It's super cute and oh, this is adorable. Look at that. And it comes with a little, I think it's a lady Tsum Tsum. Looks like lady. Now my child happens to be really into Disney Junior as well, so here is a PJ Masks with Catboy and Romeo. And then here is another Nightmare Before Christmas zombie bass player and zombie accordionist. Accordionist, right? Yeah. Here is a Cars Stickerland, so it's just a sticker book. So here is another one of those mystery things. This is a Pirates of the Caribbean, and it's got a bunch of different pirates. So it's got Henry, Young Jack, Jack Sparrow, Will Turner, Ghost Eel, Ghost Shark, and the Kraken. So here is the side of that. And another one of those mystery packs is this Snow White. Now my daughter has already gotten a Snow White and a Dopey, but it's another mystery pack that are oh so very popular. Now I had talked about the Playmation. You guys have seen all the characters of the Playmation. This is the Ultron Prowler bot. So it works with a starter pack, and it's another Playmation thing. There's another one of those things that was just $1.91. These things are expensive. Like if you were to buy these at the Disney store, they were ridiculously expensive. So this is a really good deal for if you have any kids who like to play any sort of video game. Now before I head into the Babies R Us bag, which is my last bag, I'm gonna show you the non-Disney thing I got. Now I actually have several of these. There are probably 15 to 20 of these, and they are dragons. These. And they're those little mystery packs. Now, in my family, we buy anything that is dragons, and it's the cartoon, not the movie. And that is because my brother does the voice of Snoutwout. So my brother does the voice of Snoutwout on the DreamWorks Dragons cartoon show. So Riders of Berk, and then the Netflix show, Writer's Edge or something. So he does the voices. So we're always looking for Snoutwout because he does the voice of that. So here is the final bag. It's the Babies R Us bag. It's kind of big, but that's okay. So it is another, Okay, so you should know Babies R Us sells toys, and a lot of the toys are still left. A lot of the really good toys are still left because nobody thinks to go to Babies R Us for toys. So this is Gecko and Night Ninja. I already showed you Catboy and Romeo. And they were only like, I think they were only $4. They were $6.98 and then marked down like 40% off. 30% off. They were marked down 30% off. Okay, so the original price was $9.99. They were marked down to $6.98 and then they were another 30% off of that. So the second to last thing is Owlette and Wdwgirl. Same deal, $9.99, marked down to $6.98, and then about $4. So they were about 30% off. And then finally, this big bad boy that's PJ Masks Rival Racers track set, play set. Try and get it in there. So it's got this track and it does have Catboy over here with a couple of cars to kind of race around this track, and it's got some pop-out things and just really fun stuff for your favorite preschooler who likes this show. And it was originally $40 and marked down, maybe it was $24, so I don't know, it was somewhere between, everything was somewhere between 25 and 50% off, so it just depended on what kind of toy it was. So I hope you guys enjoyed this another massive haul. You guys really liked the last massive haul, so I figured I'd do another one because you guys super enjoyed it. If you did and you've not joined my Disney family, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video and you definitely want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.